Alright, hey guys, this is going to be a kind of quick tutorial on how to set up the NoCol weapons. Um, a lot of people have been having issues with them, so here's the fix. So I have a link in the description, which is this whole kit that you'll see here. Be sure to grab it, and then I'll also have the link to an animation plugin in case the standard animation editor does not work for you. So I guess let's get started. So what you're going to want to do is take the main module, save it to Roblox, and get that uploaded. Then what you're going to go do is in your inventory go to Models, Main Module, the one that you just saved, copy that ID, and go back into NoCol Loader and paste that where it says Require. NoCol Loader is going to sit in Server Script Service. What I like to do next is go into the dummy with the crouch animation in it. So, for example, for anyone that gets this message, I have never found a fix to this, but the animation plugin that I linked works. So get that open, then you are going to click Load Crouch Animation, and this will pop up like this. So what you're going to want to do is export that and name it whatever you're comfortable with. I'm just going to do crouch animation, and we're going to go into our inventory, copy that ID, and paste it into NoCol Loader right here in the RBX asset ID. Keep in mind, in game settings, you're going to want this to be an R6 avatar and then allow HTTPS requests. So actually, hold on. Let's get rid of that main module because all we needed to do was save that. So now let's test to make sure the crouch animation works. Seems to be working. So the next step, a lot of people have also had issues with the NoCol Installer plugin, which I will also have in the description. See, if I click it, nothing happens. So the solution to that is go to Test and hit Play. Under Plugins, you're going to click Installer, and it works. So once you get that going, head into whatever weapon you want to do the animations for, and click Load Animations. So from here, you're going to be saving each one. M1 Equip, M1 Holster, M1 Idle, and M1 Reload. Keep in mind, not every weapon is going to have the exact same structure. Alright, so since I'm working with the M1 Grand, I'm just going to slip that into Starter Pack. Now, you will have the animations set up in here. So what you do is to place them manually. You copy each individual one. So let's start with M1 Equip. And within the weapon itself, you'll have the NoCol script go into here, and you have the different animations. And you will paste the IDs here. M1 Equipped, M1 Holster, M1 Idle, and then M1 Reload. So if all goes well, that weapon should appear on my back, as it did. Should be able to crouch. I should be able to whip the weapon out, fire, reload, and it works. So that is the end of this simple tutorial. Hopefully this helped a lot of you guys.